Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an easy to build yellow car that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x10 plate. On the left hand side I want to skip a set of studs and place a 2x2 plate with double bearing. Then I want to proceed on with 1x4 plate. A 2x4 flat tile, this is going to be where our minifigure is going to sit. Then we're going to continue on with a 1x4 plate and a 2x2 plate with double bearing. And for bumpers, we're going to take a few 1x2 plates with slide. We're going to place 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Let's lock all these joints here with a set of 2x4 plates. And along these two sides, a pair of 1x4 plates. Right above our bearing plates, a set of 2x4 by 2/3 plate with mud guards. On the left hand side, in this area, a 1x2 plate, and right here, a 1x4 brick. And we're going to place a 1x2 steering wheel console right here, right next to the 1x2 plate. For our grill, I'm going to take 3 1x2 ingot tiles. We're going to place one right here. Then I want to place these perpendicular. This is going to simulate a little grill for the car. And for headlights, take a 1x1 angular headlight brick. We're going to place a transparent clear round 1x1 flat tile. We're going to make 2 of these and place these in these 2 voids. We're going to set down a 2x2 plate right in the center where it's over our ingot tiles. Then I'm going to surround this with a pair of 1x2 flat tiles. And we're going to fill in this area with a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Give us a nice contour for the hood. For side mirrors, take a modified 1x1 plate with lamp holder. I'm going to place silver metallic 1x1 flat tile. We're going to place it right here. We're also going to make one for the other side of the vehicle. Take another one of these 1x1 plates with lamp holder. I'm going to place a metallic 1x1 and place it on the right hand side. Now we're going to take a set of 1x3 by 1 left hand and right hand doors. Place these in these 1x3 areas right next to the steering wheel. Now I want to focus my attention on the rear in this area. A 1x2 plate. I left this one white for a license plate. Then I'm going to proceed on setting a 2x2 plate on top to lock that joint together. And we're going to place a 2x4 plate right on top of that. For the tail lights, take a 1x1 angular headlight brick and a transparent red round 1x1 flat tile. We're going to make 2 of these assemblies and place these in these 2 1x1 openings. And lock all that together with a pair of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. For windscreens, take a pair of 2x4 by 2 windscreens. Set those right there. And for the top of the cab, a 4x4 by 2/3 hood plate. We're going to place a 1x2 plate right in this opening. We're going to place this as shown. For tires, we're going to take a small rim and a small tire. We're going to place the rim inside the tire. Well, of course, we're going to need to make 4 of these. We're going to populate the bearing plates with a set of wheels for this easy to build yellow car.